So now that we have our explosion done, I'm going to show you how to get to this drawing file, and this is going to be the last piece from Inventor that we put into this project. So I'm going to go ahead and close this. I'm going to do it again. So we've got our assembly done. What you might want to do now is go up and do New Snapshot View. Click on that and it'll save a snapshot of your explosion, and this will help for our project later. It doesn't have to look like this. If you would rather have the black piece up here, it's up to you. You guys can go in and tweak this however you want. So I'm going to go up to New, and I'm going to go to our CHS drawing sheet and click Create, and we should have size C here. Okay, so this should be the one that we created. Make sure it says C, and if not, go back to the video that shows how to upload the CHS template. So now I'm going to go to base just like normal, and it automatically selected these shapes. So I'm going to see what happens if I go to 2 scale. That's really big. So I'm going to go to 1, and I'm going to click the shaded button, and I'm going to click OK. I'm going to move this up into the corner. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my base. I'm going to go here to the folder with the magnifying glass, and I'm going to find my assembly. So I've got a preview picture, it looks right. Click open, it's really small. So I'm going to go to 2. That's 2 times the normal scale, and I think that looks like a good shape. I'm going to click on shaded, click OK, and I can move this to where I want it to so it looks nice. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to put a parts list in. So we're going to go to annotate, and over here we have our parts list somewhere right here. So I'm going to click on parts list, and I'm just going to go ahead and say OK. I'm going to place this, and it's got some stuff that we don't need. So I'm going to double click on this, and I want to get rid of this description column. So I'm going to go here to column chooser, click on description, click remove, click OK, click OK, and there's a nice looking parts list. If you guys want, you can figure out how to change the font, but this is fine. The last thing that we're going to do is we're going to add our indicators here to our parts so we know which part is which. So if I go to balloon, I can click on a corner. I need to click, and it's going to look like it wants something else, but just one line is fine. I right click, go to continue, and then I just keep going. Click on a corner, click again, right click, continue, click on the corner, click here, right click, continue, go to the out part, right click, continue, click, click, right click, continue. And so part number 3 should be part number 3. It's my orange cube here. So if that looks good, you can take your snip tool and snip this and go ahead and paste this as your last slide for Inventor into your portfolio. And now you're ready for the statistical analysis and building your model.